Hello, South Jersey Shore. This is Joe Wiessner, your favorite real estate broker, bringing you the very latest in 2025 South Jersey Shore property values. If you call the South Jersey Shore home or dream of doing so, you'll want to hear what I've got to say. From Brigantine all the way down to Cape May Point, I've compiled data you'll find truly provocative. Today I'm counting down property values for both homes and condominiums combined, ranking South Jersey Shore communities from the least affluent to the most exclusive. Every town, every value, every trend, it's all here. And be sure to stick around until the end, where I'll share my forecast for what's next in the South Jersey Shore real estate market. Let's dive right in. Coming in at number 15, Atlantic City, with an average 2024 value of $276,000. Atlantic City, while iconic, continues its decades-long struggle. Despite Stockton University's positive influence on the South End, much of the city remains a checkerboard of casinos and underdeveloped lots. However, even with these challenges, Atlantic City saw a 15% rise in property values from 2023. There's promise here, but the climb is steep. Coming in at number 14 is Wildwood City, with average values at $561,000. Wildwood City is making strides. Thanks to new construction and strong marketing of the Jersey Shore lifestyle, property values have risen by 15% year over year. With its fun, vibrant atmosphere, Wildwood is becoming a desirable place for family and vacationers alike. Coming in at number 13 is North Wildwood, with average sales at $677,000. North Wildwood offers a quieter, more suburban vibe than its southern big brother, making it especially attractive to retirees. Stable home ownership and fewer rentals drive a 19% increase in property values over 2023, outpacing much of the region. Number 12, Brigantine. Average value for 2024 was $731,000. Brigantine is a hidden gem. This grounded community boasts pristine beaches, dog-friendly zones, and South Jersey's only coastal 18-hole golf course. Property values rose 8% this year, with steady sales volume of approximately 270 units annually. Brigantine offers a year-round appeal and a serene shore experience. Number 11, Wildwood Crest. Average values $739,000. Known for its tranquil charm, Wildwood Crest saw a 11% increase in values. This dry town is a favorite for those seeking a low-key experience, while neighboring Diamond Beach provides modern beachfront condos and limited alcohol sales in designated areas. Most improved on the list at number 10 is Ventnor, with average values at $746,000. Ventnor is definitely on the rise, with property values up 15% year over year. The town is undergoing a transformation, replacing the old with modern developments. Its improving 1.5-mile boardwalk adds to the appeal, making a perfect mix of urban, suburban, and shore living. Enjoying this report? Show the love. If this content is valuable to you, tap the like button. Know somebody who could use this information? Hit share. And don't forget to subscribe if you really love the information. And remember, stay ahead of the market curve with all of the Joe Wiessner reports. Welcome now to the seven-figure club. After Ventnor, prices soar into the millions. Let's go through it. Coming in at number 9 is Cape May Point. Average values in Cape May Point for 2024 were $1,082,000. Quiet, pristine, and a step back in time, Cape May Point offers shore serenity unmatched anywhere on the Jersey Shore. Values dipped, however, 34% in 2024 due to lower sales volume, but its charm remains irresistible for those seeking solitude. At number 8, the most active market is Ocean City, New Jersey, with average values at $1,240,000. Ocean City, South Jersey's sales volume leader, remains a family favorite. Values rose 4% even as total sales drop by 15%. With its iconic boardwalk, marinas, and a family-oriented atmosphere, Ocean City continues to thrive. Coming in at number 7 is Cape May City, average value $1,385,000. A blend of tourism and year-round living, Cape May City saw only a slight 2% dip in values. Its Victorian architecture, pristine beaches, and U.S. Coast Guard base make it a standout among South Jersey's shore towns. At number 6 is Longport, New Jersey. Average values in Longport, $1,401,000. Longport saw a 23% drop in values driven by a higher proportion of condos sold in 2024 as compared to 2023. Its secluded beaches and natural jetties remain a draw for those seeking exclusivity. Number 5, Margate. Average value 2024, $1,451,000. Margate's manicured estates and peaceful vibe saw values rise 15%, even as sales volume dropped 23%. With no hotels or boardwalks, Margate is the epitome of refined shore living. Coming in at number 4 is Sea Isle City. Average value $1,599,000. Sea Isle City remains steady, with an 8% increase in values and consistent sales. Its infrastructure, recreational options, and nightlife make it a versatile destination. A bit of a surprise here at number 3 is Strathmere, New Jersey. Average values in Strathmere, $1,819,000. Tiny but mighty, Strathmere's values dropped 10%, though this reflects its low sales volume. Not a whole lot for sale. It's a small area. This serene enclave is prized for its bayside properties, beachfront properties, and tranquil atmosphere. In second place at number 2 is Stone Harbor. Average values $2,805,000. Stone Harbor remains quintessentially luxurious. Despite a 22% dip in average values due to fewer high-end sales, its vibrant downtown and high-end charm make it a perennial favorite. And coming in at number 1, South Jersey Shore's most valuable addresses are located in Avalon. Average values in Avalon, New Jersey, $3,202,000. Avalon tops the list as South Jersey's wealthiest town, with a 3% increase in values over 2023 and steady sales. Avalon epitomizes coastal elegance. Its slogan, "Cooler by the mile," says it all. Where does the South Jersey Shore market go from here? While the broader economy faces challenges, rising inflation, high interest rates, and a staggering $37 trillion debt, the South Jersey Shore market remains quite resilient. These communities offer a unique real estate experience and are less vulnerable to economic fluctuations. With a new administration prioritizing economic growth, I anticipate a slow but steady improvement in mortgage rates, inflation, and wages. Expect turbulence in the first half of 2025, but the enduring allure of the shore will keep these markets vibrant for years and years to come. Do you have any questions? Joe Wiessner Realty is here for you. We sell all over South Jersey, including the Jersey Shore. You could call us, text us, or email. To call us or text, dial 609-400-3035 or leave us a comment below. Whether you're buying or selling, we'll connect you with one of our top agents for a world-class experience down at the shore. Thank you for tuning in. Stay informed, stay ahead of the curve, and as always, Joe Wiessner wants to see you at the settlement table.